Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving headfirst into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two popular steam mops, the H2O MOP X5 and the Newbealer Steam Mop. Who will emerge victorious in the battle of the mops? Will it be the mop that steams ahead, or the one that's just a little too new for its own good? Stick around to find out. First up, let's talk money. The H2O MOP X5 comes in at a sizzling $169, making it a bit of a splurge for your cleaning needs. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, but some feel it's overpriced for the quality. Meanwhile, the Newbealer is a budget-friendly $104, and many users praise its affordability and lightweight design. It's clear that if you're on a budget, the Newbealer might just be your best friend. Now, let's get functional. H2O MOP X5 is a 5-in-1 cleaning machine, perfect for hard floors, carpets, windows, and even clothes, making it a versatile tool for deep cleaning. Reviewers mentioned the effectiveness of its attachments for everyday tasks. On the other hand, Newbealer also claims to be an all-in-one hero with detachable handheld capabilities. Users highlight its versatility and ease of use, especially for cleaning various surfaces easily. It's a close call-in functionality. Now, let's crank up the heat. The H2O MOP X5 boasts a powerful 1,300 watts of steam cleaning fury, which reviewers say is great for deep cleaning, although some have reported concerns about it leaving too much water on the floor. Meanwhile, Newbealer isn't slouching either, with its 1,200 watts and a quick heating time of just 20 seconds. Users rave about its steam power and quick results, but a few have found it lacking for tougher cleaning jobs. Both have their strengths in steam power. Next up, water tank capacity. The H2O MOP X5 doesn't specify its tank size, but is noted for being ready to tackle larger areas. Some reviewers, however, expressed concerns about needing to refill often. The Newbealer comes with an 8.5 fluid ounces tank, providing about 10 to 25 minutes of continuous cleaning. Reviewers appreciate this for smaller spaces, but larger homes might require frequent refills. It's clear the Newbealer is better suited for smaller areas. Let's talk about weight. The H2O MOP X5 is a little heftier, which some users find cumbersome, while Newbealer's lightweight design at just 3.96 pounds makes it easy to maneuver. Reviewers love the portability of Newbealer, calling it a breeze to lift and use, while others feel H2O MOP X5's weight gives it a sturdier feel. For those who prioritize ease of use, Newbealer takes the lead. And finally, let's check out what's in the box. The H2O MOP X5 comes with a plethora of attachments, including microfiber pads and a glider, making it feel like a cleaning party in there. Reviewers rave about the effectiveness of these attachments, although some have raised concerns about their durability. Newbealer packs in a handheld pod, multiple brushes, and a squeegee, which users find versatile and effective for various cleaning needs. Both mops offer great attachments, but H2O MOP X5 has the edge in variety. Overall, the H2O MOP X5 is praised for its versatility and powerful steam capabilities, but it faces criticism regarding its price and construction quality. Meanwhile, the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner is celebrated for its lightweight design and affordability, although some users have noted issues with steam effectiveness on tougher stains. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses based on user experiences. So who's the winner of our steam mop showdown? The H2O MOP X5 is great for those who want versatility and steam power, while the Newbealer is perfect for budget-conscious cleaners who love a good all-in-one deal. Remember folks, whether you're Team H2O or Team Newbealer, the most important thing is to buy smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd take home and why. Until next time, happy cleaning! Don't forget, product links are in the description.